Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will start a new chapter, chapter number 3. It is expansion and factorization of quadratic expressions, chapter number 3. We will be starting exercise 3a. Before starting exercise, we need to understand a slight difference between equation and expression. We need to solve the questions involving expressions. So what is basically the difference between equation and expression? In a question, when we have equal sign, so it is an equation like ax square plus bx is equal to 3. So this is equal to, so we will say this is an equation. Let's suppose 2x5 plus 4x cube minus 3 is equal to 0. Here we also have equal sign, so it is also an equation. So these are the types of equations where equal sign is given. Okay, what about the expression? If there is no equal sign given, then we will say it is an expression like this. If we say ax square plus bx minus 3, it is an expression because no equal sign is given here. And if we say 2x5 plus 4x cube minus 3, again this is an expression because no equal sign is there in the question. If we say ax square plus bx plus c minus d, this is again an expression because no equal sign is given. So whenever we have equal sign given, that will be called as an equation. But in the absence of this equality mark, we will term it as an expression. These are expressions, these are not equations. So this was a basic difference between equation and expressions. Now we will be starting exercise 3a. It is page number 104. Question number 1 is expand and or simplify each of the following expressions. So this question number 1 is for expressions. Part A is 6x square plus 19 plus 9x square minus 8. Though for this chapter or this exercise we haven't gone through any formulas or any rules, so we will be learning the use of rules while we are doing the questions, while we are solving the questions. So this is an expression because no equal sign is given anywhere. So one thing is that when equal sign is not given, it is an expression. So before solving, we can put equal sign in the beginning. So how to solve, how to expand or simplify this expression? The first thing is that the variables with the same powers, this is x square, this is x square, we will bring these together, close together, 6x square plus 9x square. Then this is without any variable and this is without any variable. We'll bring these together, plus 19 minus 8. Now we know that the variables with the same powers, their coefficient, this is called coefficient, these will be added because it is plus sign. So 6 plus 9 becomes 15 x square. Here it is plus 19 minus 8. So 19 minus 8, it becomes 11. So this is how we have simplified our expression. This was the expression, given expression, long one. We have solved it, and now this is the answer. It has shrank to this level. So this is simplified. This is simplified form. This is the answer of part A. Now we will be moving to part B. Part B says x square plus 2x minus 7 minus, this small bracket start, minus 11x square bracket close minus 5x minus 1. So first thing is, this is an expression, this is not an equation, because we can't see anywhere equality sign. So to start with, we can put equal sign in the beginning, because this is not an equation, this is a expression. First of all, we will be opening this bracket, given bracket. Everything will remain same, x square plus 2x minus 7. Once we open the bracket, this minus will be multiplied with this minus. Minus multiplied by minus, it becomes plus. So it becomes plus 11x square minus 5x minus 1. Now what will we do is that we will bring the variables of with the same powers together, like x square, x, and this one x square plus 11 x square, then this 2x and this also of x plus 2x minus 5x, then this is without any variable, minus 7 minus 1. So we have brought together the variables with the same powers, square square, this is power 1, here power x power 0, x power 0. Now we will do the operation. This is x square plus 11x square. They have same powers, so their coefficients will be added. Here it is 11 and here it is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. 11 plus 1 becomes 12. 12x square. Then it is plus 2x, it is minus 5x. Plus 2 minus 5. Plus 2 minus 5. How to solve is, let's suppose you have 2 rupees in your pocket and you need to give a loan and you need to repay a loan of 5 rupees. 2 rupees in your pocket, you have in your pocket, and this 5, it is you took loan from somewhere, so you have to pay loan to someone. So you will pay 2 rupees in the loan, so your loan will become less. Now it will be 3. So it is a loan, so it will become minus 3. So plus 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. So here plus 2x minus 5x, it becomes minus 3x. This is minus 7 and this is minus 1. See how to solve is minus 7 minus 1. Minus means that this is a loan you have taken from somewhere. So you took 7 rupees as a loan, then again you took 1 rupee as a loan. So your loan is now more. 7 plus 1, 8 rupees are the loan. So 8 rupees are the loan. For the loan we will put minus. So minus 7 minus 1 becomes minus 8. So here we will put minus 8. So this is the answer. This was a long expression given to simplify we have done the process, we have used the steps, and now we have come to the answer. This is our answer. This is a simplified form.